Hi guys, good morning. So yesterday went to the hospital for Jeff's colonoscopy and endoscopy. So nothing to worry about it guys kasi annually po ang kanyang colonoscopy at every 4 years naman po ang kanyang endoscopy. So ito lamang po ay just to make sure na okay lang po ang kanyang colon and all. Super easy lang po ng check-in dito. Wala pong cheche bureche. Hi baby.
Hi. You have walked the dogs in a month.
Oh, I'm sorry. You have walked the dogs.
That's true.
Here, say hi. Where are you going?
I'm going for my colonoscopy in this guy.
Yeah. Sobrang ganda at first class po ng kanilang facilities. At ayan na nga po, pumasok na po si Jeff. Ayan guys, so Jeffrey is inside the room na. Kasi may colonoscopy siya ngayon at endoscopy. So ayan, dito muna tayo. We're killing time. Kasi ayoko muna umuwi. So they say it takes 2 to 4 hours daw. So ito yung view dito. That's the Target. The famous Target.
Okay, perfect.
Diba? Banda. There
Okay.
you go. So pretty. Look at all the chairs. Diba? Ang ganda. Ba't ibang kulay siya guys? And diba? Mag-isa ako dito. Nice and private. So, I'm just here. I don't know. I'm thinking if uwi pa ako or dito na lang. Di pa ako nakapag-decide. Kasi medyo matagal-tagal din, di ba? 2 to 4 hours. Ang gagawin ko dito. But anyway. Ayan, after more than 3 hours po, natapos na nga po ang kanyang procedure. And look at Jeff, okay na siya. Oh, so sweet. And thankfully guys, okay naman po lahat ng findings ni Jeff. Wala naman po concerning na nakita ang aming doktor. Actually, tinawagan ako ng kanyang doctor once po siya nakalabas po sa operating room. At nakausap ko na rin siya at ipinaliwanag po niya ang kanilang mga findings. And like what he said, wala po kaming dapat ika-concern kasi okay naman po ang lahat except po sa kanyang esophagus. So medyo reddish daw siya and nakatanggal po sila ng 2 polyps and then yun po ang kanilang i-test just to make sure hindi po siya cancerous. Ayan guys, so bale outpatient po ang kanilang procedure. So nakalabas din po si Jeff the same day. Gaya ng sabi ko kahapon, mas concern niya ako dito kaysa po sa biopsy po niya. Kasi sa procedure na po ito ay may ritual po siyang ginagawa. Hindi ka po pwedeng kumain 24 hours before po ng operation. At meron ka pong iniinom to prep yourself. So bali gutom na po si Jeff at gusto na po niyang kumain. Pero hindi na siya pwedeng mag-drive, so alagaan natin siya. Yan, we are headed back to my sister's house.
Yeah.
So, Jeffrey's colonoscopy and endoscopy went really well.
Yes.
So, they didn't find anything suspicious or concerning.
Yeah.
Which is,
Well,
we don't know where we park.
A couple biopsies over there.
Well, I mean, you know, but the doctor said nothing concerning. But they did take 2 polyps out, so they will do a biopsy on that one.
Yeah.
And had some swelling in his esophagus, but they said it's probably from his medicated prep. So, thank God.
Yeah.
At least, you know, we're good with that one for now. How do you feel, baby?
I feel well.
Just feeling nauseous?
No. Just tired.
Okay. And he's hungry. Haven't eaten for 24 hours.
Actually,
Now I'm driving because he can't drive yet.
not all day.
Not all day, so tomorrow he can drive again, so he can take a rest for now. So have you decided where do you want to eat, baby?
Texas Roadhouse is good.
Okay. So this is not his biopsy, guys. His biopsy is not until July 12. So I know you guys were saying that, you know, oh, I hope everything is well so you guys can go home. Unfortunately, we cannot go home yet because this is not the biopsy that we came for. So and that's not until July 12. Anyway, bye-bye.